Hey, there's the chief resident. Remember this lesson in morning rounds in the recess meeting, in the recess room in CCT? This is the tale of Kool-Aid. Now everyone knows there's only a certain amount of people that are invited to a certain party when you're a child. Maybe 5 or 6 friends, not the whole world. There's only so much Kool-Aid or cake or ice cream that was bought for the cake, for the people who were invited, the parents and the kids. Kool-Aid is classically red. Fruit punch, right? Remember this big jolly guy in the glass pitcher of red Kool-Aid? Well, this Kool-Aid, think about this red Kool-Aid when you have hemorrhage. GYN, regardless if it's miscarriage or dysfunctional uterine bleeding or abnormal uterine bleeding, hemorrhagic cysts, bleeding from trauma, from external, on the floor, inside the lung, inside the belly, within the limb, GI bleed. Red stuff carries oxygen. Red stuff carries hemoglobin that carries oxygen and delivers nutrients to vital organs. The stuff that looks clear, that looks like filler, like lactated ringers, plasmon, and saline, look like red stuff, like fruit punch.